Hi guys, it's me, Jedi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Today, we are doing an awesome unboxing, make your own slime. So this is what it looks like. Wow, this is all the tools inside. Wow, okay, now let's do them up. So this is our cornstarch packet, and I'm so excited to make it. Next is our wooden mixing stick to mix it all up. And then we've got our measuring cup. Wow, our purple and pink dyes for the color. And last but not least, our clear mixing spoon, our glitter, and our glue. Okay friends, let's make the slime and read the instructions. We already have our measuring cup with our warm water. So make sure to ask your parents to help with the water and measuring. Also, you can use a kitchen scale to help you measuring your cornstarch. Okay, now we're going to read the instructions. So it says 23 milliliters of warm water into your disposable cup. And we have it over here. So then it says, slowly mix in the cornstarch using your wooden mixing stick. Okay, now you can add some more. Oops, it will be a bit messy. Okay, let's mix and mix. Once the cornstarch is all mixed in, add in 15 milliliters of white glue and mix using your wooden mixing stick. Okay. Perfect. And now we can mix it in. Okay. Get all the glue out. Okay, perfect. Now we have a wooden mixing stick and mix. So now that it's all mixed up, we are going to add the dye. So we can choose from pink or purple. I think I'm going to choose pink. Add 3 drops. Go. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, got it. Now to mix. Wow, it's such a pretty pink. Okay, mix. Wow. It's a light pink. And this is what it looks like. Wow. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's so cool. It sinks. Okay. Wow. So long. Okay, Wow, they're so shimmery. Okay, wow. To be so shimmery. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's put it over here and then mix it in. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. It's really messy though, but I love my slime. And what do you guys think? Do you think it's a 10 out of 10, 5 out of 10? I love my slime so much. Thank you everybody for watching my video. And please make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Let me know how your first slime turned out.